Okay everyone, today we're going to be getting a car wash, but I'm not sure where I should get one yet. So we are not at the car wash yet. You can see we are at the store. But I decided to do this video to show how dirty the car is, because the car is very dirty. So I want to see how well wherever car wash we are going to go to today, and that way we can see how well it can clean up all the dirt here. Like you can see all the dirt here on the side window here, and the other side too. So yeah, I will quickly get out and see how well dirty the car is for a second. Okay, so you can see here there's a lot of dirt on the paint here. Even the dirts are dirty, like right here. Mirrors. Like, it's really dirty. The tires are even dirty too. You see if it actually gets off the stuff off the back where the last wash we went to last week didn't. And here too. So hopefully it gets off that stuff and get the tires clean, get all this off. You can see, and a lot of there is really dirty, and even the front too, and the undercarriage, the tires too, and the headlights as well. So yeah, that's basically how dirty the car is. I'm going to pause it for now till we get to the wash. Okay, so we decided to see what wash we are doing, and we are doing the Esso station on Young Street near Green Lane and Newmarket. And you can see the wash options here. Top wash here, but top wash is $12.99, which we're going to be getting. You can see here. I'm sure it's going to be $13.99, which is without a gas purchase, but oh well. The reason we came here is that it's been a while since I last been here, and there was a huge lineup at other washes, like the Canadian Tire with the wash for Razor, the Petro Canada Milock Drive, since we driven past there, since we had to do something down there. So, and this one doesn't have a lineup, surprisingly, which is good. So that's why we decided to come here and get a car wash at this Esso station. This used to be a Husky station, so this is at an Esso/Husky station. So hopefully this is a laser wash for 1,000. Hopefully it goes well. So I'm going to pause it for now. Alrighty, we're pulling up to the entrance. You can see. So it was $13.99 without gas purchase, like I said, and with taxes and that, it came to $16.94, which is a little bit pricey for an Esso as always.
Welcome to Husky. Please enter your 5-digit code now.
Alrighty, there we go. So the code is 195.
Your code number has been accepted. Please drive ahead slowly.
Anyways, here we go. So once again, there's a laser wash for 1,000 with a laser dry dryers. Alright, there we go. At least I used mostly all of the dryer time you can see here. Alrighty, so I guess I can pull up of the fair and see how I ever washed it. Alright, there. Let's see how I ever washed it. Alrighty. So it did really well. Like it cleaned all this stuff off. It cleaned the tires really well. Dryers didn't do well here. Like it did. Like looks like it didn't get off fat here. Tires are clean. On both back windshield, there's a little bit of a car, but which is not that bad. Seems like the arm couldn't contour that all the way. I don't know what's that here. I'm not sure if that is dirt or something like that. There's a little bit of yellow spots here, like I guess from the clear coat protective. Like here, looks like it didn't get off that. Yeah, side dryer kinda did well. Cleaned the tires really well too, like wow. Yeah, didn't get off all that here, you can see here around the doors. Didn't get off that. Dryers kinda did well on the front, it looks like it cleaned the headlights really well. And it looks like it also cleaned the back windshield really well too, like wow. Like you can see here. But when the water dried, it left a lot of spots on the back window. You can also see where it didn't clean off the dirt off on the top as well, just like the last wash we went to last week. The wash definitely did much better since the last time I was here, like wow. I'm surprised this is still there today. Last 2 years ago when I first came here, I saw a Mark Shipment truck, so I had the feeling they were looking at it, but I'm surprised this hasn't been replaced. The only difference I noticed, I think they put in a new dryer timer here. I think they replaced the old dryer timer and they put in a new one. This is what the old dryer timer looks like. You can't really see it that well, so I'm glad that they replaced it. Down there is the petrol can glide wash, which I filmed last week. So yeah, overall for LaserWash for Fairson, it did really well. But definitely much better than the petrol panda here. So will I say $16.90 wash for the top wash is worth it? Well, it's not bad. Like I've seen better washes than that. I like wash for Racer. So yeah, that's the LaserWash for Fairson at the Esso station in Newmarket. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this car wash video as always. And that will be it.